Every time I speak about my hope for America, the cynics in Washington roll their eyes. You see, they don't believe we can actually change politics and bring an end to decades of division and deadlock. They don't believe we can limit the power of lobbyists who block our progress, or that we can trust the American people with the truth. And that's why we face the same problems and hear the same promises every 4 years. My experience tells me something very different. In 20 years of public service, I've brought Democrats and Republicans together to solve problems that touch the lives of everyday people. I've taken on the drug and insurance companies and won. I defied the politics of the moment and opposed the war in Iraq before it began. This is Barack Obama. I approve this message to ask you to believe, not just in my ability to bring about real change in Washington. I'm asking you to believe in yours.